This quick guide will teach you how to set up Supabase Auth. Whether you're building a new application or enhancing an existing one, adding authentication is an essential step. Supabase makes it incredibly easy to integrate various authentication providers, and I'm here to walk you through the steps to get it all set up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Supabase's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in supabase.com. Supabase is an open-source alternative to Firebase, offering a plethora of back-end features, including a powerful authentication service. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your Supabase account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following their straightforward sign-up process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select your project. You should see a dashboard listing all your projects. Click on the project for which you want to set up authentication. This will take you to the project's main dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your application's backend. Now, look to the left side of the screen. You'll find a menu with a variety of options. Click on Authentication, which will lead you to the section where you can manage user authentication for your application. This is the hub where you can configure how users will sign up and log into your app. In the Authentication section, you'll see a tab labeled Configuration. Click on this tab, and you'll find a section called Sign-in Providers. This is where you can specify which third-party services your users can use to sign into your application, such as Google, Facebook, GitHub, and more. Setting up these providers allows for a seamless and secure login experience for your users. Next, it's time to select your authentication providers. You'll be presented with a list of available providers. Choose the ones that best suit your application's needs. For example, if you expect most of your users to have Google accounts, enabling Google as a provider would be a great choice. Simply click on the providers you wish to enable to select them. After selecting the desired providers, you'll need to enable them. You do this by toggling the switch next to each provider. Once toggled, Supabase will guide you through any additional setup required, such as entering credentials from the third-party providers. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully, as each provider may have its own specific requirements. And that's it. You've now set up Supabase Auth for your project. With these steps completed, your application is equipped to handle user authentication through the providers you've enabled. Supabase takes care of the heavy lifting, ensuring that your authentication processes are secure and efficient. Remember, if you ever need to adjust or update your authentication settings, you can always return to the same menu and make the necessary changes. Supabase's user-friendly interface makes it easy to manage and scale your app's authentication as your user base grows. Thank you for following along with this guide on setting up Supabase Auth. With your authentication configured, you're one step closer to launching your application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding!